Okay, this actually slide, as you can see here, I'm highlighting the different types of SINR in the 5G. We have mainly three different types, which is each is serving a different purpose as highlighted here. The first one, which is related to the SS block SINR or SS synchronization signal SINR, which is actually mainly used for coverage and mobility evaluation, as you know, right? The second type, which is related to CSI-RS SINR as well, or RSRP, which is mainly used to estimate the estimated based on CSR. For example, the CQI and your CQI and even beam switching estimation can be done based on the CSRS reporting in general, even RSRP and SNR. And also it can serve as an input for link budget calculation. But again, as highlighted in the previous slide, that in general, CSI-RS SINR reporting require a specific UE capabilities. And I already highlighted how to check this one. The last type actually it's related to the PDSCH or the serial channel, PDSCH SINR, which is called effective SNR. And this is actually can be used along with the CQI with the CSI-RS measurement to evaluate or to do the CQI estimation. So in general, like this is depend on the UE implementation. Some of the UE mainly do the CQI estimation, the CQI reporting from the UE to GMB and the CSI report based on the CSRS. But other UE implementation can do it both and both actually, based on the CSRS plus the PDSCH SINR. And this is might result in even much better CQI reporting. Why? Because as I will highlight, usually the PDSCH SINR is better than CSRS SINR, is better than the SS SINR. Why? Because first of all, the reporting for PDSCH SINR is every, for example, let's say TTI, right? Which is typically 0.5 millisecond or 1 millisecond, depend where you're reading 30 kilohertz or 15 kilohertz. Also, the interference might be much less compared to the others. But also the main important information that because it's reporting every TTI, so this is given more accuracy compared to the others. And why the CSI-RS SINR is better than SSB block SINR? As you know that the CSRS is like on-demand reporting, right? It's dedicated, like each user can have it. It's not something there all the time. While the SSP block, it's transmitted all the time, and both of them are periodic. But just the CSI-RS in general is being transmitted whenever the user is in a connected mode, whenever the user is start doing a download and so on. So the probability to have a collision is much less. And also each PCI or physical PCI will have a different location, as you can see here. So the probability to have interference is less compared to the SSP block, which is being fixed in the same location, as you can see here. Again, for the SSP block can be different in different network implementation, but based on 3GPP, this is the scenario we have. SSB block is fixed for all the location is fixed, so this can cause additional interference. Plus, it's also transmitted all the time. And all the time based on the periodic reporting 20 milliseconds and so on. But yeah, this is the main difference between all of them. And this is how requirement and different purposes for the different SNR we have in the 5G. While in the 4G, if you remember, it was mainly based on the reference signal measurements. We used to have only one SNR information in the 5G. And that's all about today's video. Again, I hope if you like the video to press like and to share the information and to spread the knowledge. And thank you very much and see you in the next video.